Hey, how's it going today? Today is April 12th, 2024. Spending a little bit of time in the shop today. Got a couple things that we're going to be working on. One of the first things I'm going to do today is I'm going to install an e-brake. You've all seen it on the web. I've heard good things from people I know about using this, so we're going to go ahead and get that installed, and then we're going to do a, I don't know if you want to call it an upgrade or what you want to call it, but we've got, yeah, that's not going to work for you. Mud busters. That's right, mud buster fender flares, max fender flares are going to be going on today. Not sure how much I'm going to get done on this project, but we're going to give it a good shot and see what we can get going here. Not sure how much I'm going to record on this. Chasing a camera around is not what I like to do, so we'll see how it goes and we'll take it from there. All right, so hey, I got that brake, they call it a brake thingy. What a pain in the ass that was to install. It's in there. I had to modify it because it didn't fit, of course. That's the way things usually go for me. You know, you order something, oh, it fits. And then when you go put it in, hold on. Then when you go and put it in, it don't fit. So here's what happened. I ordered one for Razor XP 1000, and as you see here in the photographs, Razor Ranger the 1000s, that's the style right here that I ordered. And what I ended up doing is making it like this one right here. Cut this out, I grinded this down to make it fit up in there. It just doesn't fit past the plunger. So that project's done, and then we're gonna move on to our next project. Well, I've already started it, and that would be the first thing that we have to do is remove the fenders. These are extended fenders here, and I'm removing the extended fenders and putting the stock fenders back on. And wow, what a difference in the way this machine looks with a stock fender on it. So here is there's a stock fender. We will take and put the mud busters on with these stock fenders. So that's what I'm in the process of doing now. That's it.